added some extra bit butter. Hi Barbie dolls, I'm Azusa Barbie, Barbie lover in West Hollywood. Thanks for watching my video. Today I'm doing quarantine pink food cooking. Oh my gosh, I'm so in rush today because let me show you something first. I just made Hello Kitty pink ramen. Wow, I know it's Hello Kitty, not Barbie. But you know, Barbie and Hello Kitty are really good friends. They collaborated 3 times. Since I got this ramen in Tokyo, it's already done and you cannot leave ramen too long. Noodle will absorb all the soup and taste gets bad. So let me eat it quick. So let me go for now and you can just watch how I cook first. I have 1 boiled egg, already peeled the shell. I want to soak in wheat powder water. Put a little salt, sugar, and soup stock, and a little soy sauce. Now I want to make salad. My favorite avocado, and put it here. This is my regular egg avocado salad recipe, remember? Salt and pepper. If I'm not using dressing on salad, I put mayonnaise here, but I'm using pink salad dressing today, so I just put bit butter here, but no mayonnaise. Today I put avocado too much, so it looks more brown. I don't love it, but it's okay. But it tastes good. Yeah, if I use just half avocado, the pink was gonna be perfect. Crushed frozen raspberry. And I can make cheese pink, but today I'm already using a lot of beet powder, and after I put dressing, the cheese will totally look pink, so don't worry. So salad is done. Now I'm finally cooking ramen. So here's Hello Kitty pink ramen, which I got from Haneda Airport in Tokyo. Yeah, look, yeah, so it looks pink. Yeah, it looks more like a pastel pink, I see. I want to show you what kind of shades of pink it will turn out. So let's see. We need boiling water first. So let me show you the inside of this pink ramen pouch. So of course there are some pink noodle. Wow, pink ramen noodle. And there's the pouch for soup, the powdered soup, the seaweed, nori. Now it's supposed to be cut out with Hello Kitty shape. Cannot wait to open this later. And these two you cannot eat. Don't eat it. Now water is boiling and put these ramen noodle and cook for 3 minutes. Actually, I boil for shorter time because I'm filming today, so I'll be pretty busy when it's done. So yeah, let me boil less than 3 minutes. So here's my Barbie ramen bowl. Maybe I should prepare other stuff. So this nori. How cute! Super cute. They have 2 of them, but just use 1 maybe. Oh, 3 minutes. So now turn off the heat, open this pouch for soup. What a cute color. Yeah, mix it. Done. Okay, the color is mild, like a really gentle pink. Still cute. Yeah, pink color. Just from the pouch, like this pastel pink color. It's not pink enough for me. You know what? Let me put some beet butter. I don't have time. The noodle's gonna get, you know, dull. Let me see. Let me see the color. Yay! This is what I wanted. And here, Ooh! Wow! Cute. Super cute. Yeah, I'm glad that I added some beet powder. Let me check my pink egg here. Oh my gosh. The color looks insane. I know it's just the outside, but still. Okay. I put this here. Yay! Ta-da! Hello Kitty pink ramen, Azusa Barbie version. Oh my gosh, it's crazy. The Hello Kitty nori, the seaweed, it looks really, really cute. You could totally put on here, but it will get, you know, too soggy. Even here, I saw they put Hello Kitty nori, you know, on the edge of ramen bowl. So yeah, I did the same way. And usually you can totally put more stuff for topping, but you know, it's quarantine period. I didn't have anything else besides egg. But at least, yeah, I made pink egg. So yeah, let me eat it. My gosh, so excited. And I will also eat a pink salad. Yeah, to get more vitamin today. せーの、いただきます。めっちゃ美味しそう。美味しい。ラーメンって美味しい。なんでこんな美味しいんだろう。I love ramen. I'm Japanese. So Japanese people, I would say some Japanese people eat ramen way more than they eat sushi. I'm not kidding. Let me taste egg. Good. Crazy pink egg. And ta-da! Here is my pink salad. Well, today I put too much avocado, so it doesn't look that pink. But you know, it's in my kitchen, so that's why it doesn't look pink. But actually in the person, it looks pretty pink. Yeah, let me put this dressing. Yay! After you put this pink dressing, and then when you start eating, the salad totally turns into pink. When I'm eating salad with ramen, I feel less guilty. 美味しい。美味しいな。So cute! So, oh my gosh, I'm so happy tonight. I just love ramen a lot. Yeah, but usually I try not to eat ramen much because it has a lot of sodium, so my body doesn't like it sometimes. So that's why I try not to eat ramen much, but I'm so glad I ate it today. For the cutest shades of pink, I recommend to add 1 extra teaspoon of beet powder into it. I totally recommend to get it if you have the chance to visit Japan sometimes in future. Not right now. Yeah, someday in future. And if you're flying back from Haneda airport, there's a huge Hello Kitty shop and you can totally enjoy shopping there and get this ramen. Thanks for watching my video. Stay home, be safe, be happy. Hope you have fantastic Barbie quarantine. Bye!